Hello, Kenneth Hoffman here. I'm 73 years old, born in Wisconsin. I want to talk to you about America and being an American. Not a German American, not a Latino American, not an African American, but an American first and foremost. We have a new president starting in January 2009, Barack Hussein Obama. He was elected by the majority, and all Americans must support Barack. He'll be handed a mess created by the group in Washington over the last 30, 40 years. Barack, I support you. No, I didn't vote for you. That has nothing to do with supporting you. You are the president of all Americans. Unless we're fools, we must support our president. That is what the Constitution says. The majority rules, and the majority has spoken. If you don't agree with what I'm saying here, get over it. Step up to the plate. Barack deserves our support. He is untested, and I'm sure all Americans will be watching what he does. If he does the right things, he'll be a hero. If he does the wrong things, we'll have plenty of time to beat up on him later. America has come from a place of greatness and arrived where we are now through about 70 to 80 years. If you want to find out exactly where we came from and how we arrived where we are, simply go on the internet. Go to Barnes & Nobles or Amazon.com and type in "What's Going On, Kenneth Hoffman," and you'll find out where we came from, how we got here, and to find out how we Americans feel about Washington and what they are doing to us, type in "Homegrown Enemies, Kenneth Hoffman" in the window, and the information available will tell you about where we came from and what our leaders are doing to us. There's a short trailer to follow. Please watch it. God bless you and God bless America. Thank you.